Hey guys, this is Jason with Outside Pulse again. I'm always one that loves a good deal, so I actually went on Amazon to try to find the cheapest survival hatchet multi-tool that I could find, and I found one that was cheaper than the rest of them, and I just got it in the mail, so let's check it out and see what it looks like. All right, so this is the box that it comes in, and it's made by a company called Peyond, P-E-Y-O-N-D, and it's supposed to have 14 tools in one, so let's take a look at it. Okay, it comes with this little carrying case. Looks like some sort of a nylon material. And then you've got plastic here. Take this off. Okay, so here it is. It's supposedly made of stainless steel. It's got a wood handle. Okay, and on first impressions, it seems pretty decent. It's got a nice weight to it. It feels pretty heavy in hand. Obviously, you're not going to be cutting down any major logs or trees with this. So if you're needing a hatchet that does some really heavy work, this isn't probably going to be the one for you. However, if you need something that it's easy to store away and something that's kind of a multi-tool kind of thing, it's really not too bad. Leaving it closed up here, you've obviously got, a little hammer that you could drive in some tent stakes or something like that. You've got your hatchet blade here. Again, nothing real major, but it could cut down, little saplings or branches, things like that, to at least get a fire started with. And then when you open this up, it's got a little spring action there. So you've got a pair of pliers. And then if you close that back up, kind of like a Swiss Army knife, you've got a handful of little tools here. Serrated blade, Phillips screwdriver, little flat blade there. Not sure, maybe some type of a bottle opener. And a little file on the back of this side. And again, that little heavier serrated blade there. And so all in all, I think it's a pretty interesting little tool. It might be, it's built as a survival hatchet. I guess really any tool in a survival situation would be better than having nothing at all. But obviously, based on its size, there's only going to be so much you can do with it. But something to have around the campsite, to drive in tent stakes, or, cut down a little bit of small wood to start a fire with, it would certainly probably get the job done. Probably the nicest thing about it is while it might be a disadvantage to some, I think an advantage to it is it's just the small size of it. If you're a backpacker or a hiker or something like that, this could easily be stowed in a way, stowed in a backpack and brought out to, do a ton of different things around the campground or around a campsite. So for me, I like it. I think it's interesting. I'll definitely probably add it to my camping tools, and I'll probably break it out the next time I go camping. Okay, and that is my review of the cheapest survival hatchet multi-tool that you can find on Amazon. Overall, I thought it was pretty decent. It had a good weight to it. I think it would be really helpful in, camping situations and different things that you're trying to do around a campsite. So you should definitely check it out. Link in the description below, and I hope you all have a great day.